How to make a pineapple Loco Moco. Get ready, everybody. Oil the pan, cause we're about to make some gravy. Dice the onion and mushroom like that. You can dice them fine, thick, however you like. Salt and pepper. Add it. It gives it a nice flavor. Okay? You wanna just mix it around with your spatula or spoon and then put the butter inside. Once you get the butter inside, add the flour. Stir it around and add beef broth, okay? You can mix it till it's thick or runny. Then you wanna cook the patty and add your pineapple. You can make pineapple rings, pineapple chunks, any kind pineapple. It's all good, just makes it sweet, you know, tasty. And plate the rice. I use a 3-grain rice with black, sweet, and normal. You can use any kind of rice you like though, you know, it's up to you. This is your Loco Moco. Add the gravy. Don't be, you know, skimpy. You can add as much as you like. And that's how you make a Loco Moco. Let's dig in and try this. Okay, should we get some pineapple? All right. Mmm. That is delicious. That's how you make a pineapple Loco Moco. Hendrix, come. Try. We have to get the dog's approval. Sit. Good boy. All right.